So it was, Jeff, it was a pleasure working on this beautiful property. What was it like night one after seeing the lights pop on for the first time?
It was magical. It was like a play, the curtains opening up to a beautiful backyard that we never saw that before because it was dark and not illuminated. Of course, now be able to look out here over the pool and see the beautiful trees lit up in the background, it's very special.
So of everything in the backyard, what was your favorite thing or most important thing to you that we lit up?
Well, initially I would have said that lighting up the play area where the kids have so much fun was special to me. And so I've got grandkids who live here at the house, but around the corner. And so they're always over here. But for me to be able to sit back in my solitude and look out at the beautiful landscaping that we've got here that is illuminated by your lights. Just based on my experience, the result was far greater than I could have anticipated. And I'd say that it brings life to your backyard. And that's just not the illumination, but it's sort of highlighting features in your backyard, whether it's some of the beautiful trees you have or colorful flowers and plants. I'd say that it adds a new dimension to your house and to your living. Again, seasonally, this is my favorite time of year. Flowers are in bloom, and we get to see them not just during the day but at night. And at night, because the lighting sort of highlights, there's a contrast and there's a highlighting of those colors and those features that makes it special.
With such a gorgeous backyard, the stunning cherry trees, the crepe myrtles, I know personally it was by far the most important thing at my own house that really transformed my own happiness doing my lighting is when I did the backyard. And I can only imagine, for you, with this beautiful patio looking at this, it turned out gorgeous, and I'm really happy you feel that way.
You are the initial contact person, and you helped me walk through the design and the possibilities, and then you made it come to life. So I've had a fabulous experience, and so much is to your credit, but I know you've got a team behind you that has to do the installation and the maintenance, and so Dayloom has been a great experience for me.
I'm just happy your experience was great, and I love how it turned out.
That's great.